Looking for an insider tip that will help you keep your properties rented now and beyond? Are you missing the one feature at your properties that will allow you to appeal to all renters? Were you aware that most owners, once adding this feature, increased bookings by 10 to 20%? Welcome to the electric age. Tesla and other auto manufacturers have been hitting record sales in electric vehicles. Rental car companies like Enterprise and Hertz have already added electric vehicles to their rental fleets. In fact, on Turo, the Airbnb of car rentals, the #1 demanded vehicle for rent in California is a Tesla. And did you know that 80% of families traveling to Southern California rent vehicles? The same families that are looking to rent your vacation properties. The demands for electric vehicle charging needs are growing faster than you might imagine. Click Electric has teamed up with short-term rental owners across Southern California, opening new doors that will make your properties more attractive to renters, help you stay ahead of the competition, and help multiply your revenue streams on a consistent basis. If your rental properties aren't equipped with an electric vehicle charging station for your customers' needs, then Click Electric has the solutions that your customers will love, boosting your positive reviews and ratings. Click the link in the description to get started, or call us now at 877-85-85-853. That's 877-85-85-853. Call 877-85-85-853.